students, once again welcome you all in my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry Classes. Students, my today's class topic is our organic reagent DMP. The full form of DMP is Des-Martian periodinane, and you can see the structure of this periodinane. Here in this structure, iodine is present in hypervalent state and there are 3 acetoxy group. So I represented this acetoxy group by OAC. So we can write this structure in 2-3 ways. One is this way where you can show acetoxy group as OAC, OAC, OAC. Otherwise, you can also write it as a form of OAC whole thrice. And one more form, we can also open this structure, that is CH3COO, CH3COO, CH3COO. And the molecular formula, we can say that it will have the formula as a C13H13I O8. So this is very important. So please do practice, which is easy for you. You can write down that structure. All structures are correct, and but the thing is that you have to make it correctly. Now let us discuss what are the main physical properties. Generally, DMP is our white powder. It crystalline or crunch chunks, and the melting point is 103 to 133 degrees centigrade. It may vary. And this reagent is named after Daniel Benjamin Des and James Cullen Martian. And whenever we are using this DMP, those reaction will be termed as our oxidation, DMP oxidation reaction. So sometime you are searching it, you can also search it by the DMP oxidation also. So I hope the structure is clear, and little bit introduction you have to write, because in exams they will ask you mostly the preparation method and some reactions of it. So now let us see little importance of our. So now let us discuss some details of Des-Martian periodinane. So Des-Martian periodinane is a chemical reagent which is used in the DMP oxidation, and mainly oxidizing primary alcohols to aldehyde and secondary alcohols to the ketones. So if there is a one carbon group, it will get converted to aldehyde, and if secondary alcohols are there, automatically there will be 2 alkyl groups or aryl groups, so they will get converted to the ketones. Then we need the neutral condition for the oxidation reactions, so that this DMP makes it a suitable choice for the synthesis. It oxidizes even in very sensitive, it mainly oxidizes sensitive alcohol also to the carbonyl compounds, and the reactions mainly conducted in the chlorinated solvent like our dichloromethane or our tetrachloromethane also. So this some conditions we have to remember if we are using our DMP. So now just let us see the preparation method of our DMP. This is easy. So DMP can be prepared from 2-iodobenzoic acid. So first we are treating the 2-iodobenzoic acid in the presence of potassium bromate or the oxone. So we will get IBX just, and when we are treating it with our acetic anhydride and also the acetic acid, we will get our DMP. So you can see the structure of our DMP. Triacetoxy groups are attached here, and 1 oxygen, 1 ketone groups are here. So once again you can see what you have to write here. Heating a solution of a potassium bromate in the presence of acid to iodobenzoic acid gives first IBX you will get, and then we are acylated using the acetic anhydride and our acetic acid. So you will get your DMP. So I hope this preparation method is easy. First you have to take our 2-iodobenzoic acid. It is treated with the potassium bromate in the presence of H2SO4. You will get an IBX, and then it is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of acetic acid. So you will get our reagent DMP. Now let us see the important reactions of our DMP. So first only we discuss that if we have primary alcohols, they will get converted to our, what they will get converted to? They will get converted to aldehyde, and if it is a secondary alcohol, it is getting converted to our ketone. So just 1 minute we can have a revision on the primary or secondary alcohols. We know that if this is a single carbon and alcohol is attached, so this is termed as the primary. And if suppose we are having such type of the groups are attached, suppose this is 2, if one OH group is attached with the carbon directly, this is primary alcohol, na? It can also be your CH3CH2OH. Okay, so this is also primary. And if it is methyl alcohol, it is also your primary alcohol. But if it is your tertiary carbon, see this carbon is which type of nature? This is your tertiary carbon, because 3 groups are directly attached to it. What about secondary carbon? If 2 carbon groups are directly attached. So this carbon is our secondary. So this is our secondary carbon atom. When the alcohol group is attached to the secondary, it is known as secondary alcohol. So if it is attached directly with the one carbon, it is primary alcohol. Here also you can see it is only one carbon group, so it is termed as your primary alcohol. But if we consider this is your secondary carbon, and the OH group attached to the secondary carbon is known as secondary alcohol. And in this case, see, this is tertiary carbon. So because three methyl groups are attached now, so this is your tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. So in the beginning, what we discussed, that what the DMP is doing, it oxidizes the primary alcohol to it oxidizes the primary alcohols to aldehyde and secondary alcohols to ketone. So you have to remember, primary alcohol will get converted to our aldehyde. So this is your primary alcohol, it is getting converted to our aldehyde. Again, this is cis allylic alcohol will give you cis alpha beta unsaturated acid. So alpha beta unsaturation means what? Suppose if it is our simple carbon chain, okay, and where the CHO group is present, where is any carbonyl group is present, this carbon is known as alpha, and this is our beta, gamma, and so on. So next to alpha, if double bond is present, so this is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So such type of the aldehyde will be given by a cis allylic alcohol when we are using the DMP as a reagent. And the important condition is that we need our chlorinating agent, means dichloromethane is used as a solvent. So cis allylic alcohols will give you the cis alpha beta aldehyde, unsaturated aldehyde. Unsaturation clear na? This is our aldehydes, and the carbon attached directly to the aldehyde is known as alpha carbon atom, and this is beta. So alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde you will get. Now come to the second reaction. So oxidation of our cyclohexyl methanol will give you cyclohexane carboxylaldehyde. So simple है, यहाँ पे आपका OH group is getting converted to our aldehyde group. So this is also a very simple reaction. Just go with solvent is our dichloromethane. Next reaction. Now little bit discussion. Just you can check, alcohol is getting converted to ketone group. So definitely this will be your secondary alcohol, है ना? One side is which group attached here? Ethyl, and one side is our methyl group. So this is your 2-butanol, and we have written in the bond line notation. So just we can have a look, if we are making such type of a structure, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, and if suppose OH is present here, so what it will be? This carbon will have one side which group? 1 2 ethyl group, other side 1 2 3 propyl group. So this is your secondary carbon atom, and the OH group attaches secondary. Here one side is methyl group, other side is our ethyl group, but the total number of carbons are 4, 1 2 3 4. So it is our butane 1. Which group, which carbon OH is present? 2. So it is 2-butanol. It is treated with the DMP in the presence of our dichloromethane. So you will simply get ketone. OH group is converting into the ketone group. So I hope reactions are simple. Next, one more reaction. It is also a secondary alcohol. So I hope it is very easy for you. It is directly getting converted to our ketone. Okay, as this is secondary alcohol, it is directly getting converted to our ketone in the presence of DMP, CH2H2, CH2Cl2, sorry. Next reaction. So conversion of alpha beta unsaturated alcohol to its corresponding aldehyde. So first we have seen of alkene. This is our ethine, alkyne, okay, triple bond hai na. So simple, this alcohol group will get converted to our aldehyde group because it is a primary, so you will get aldehyde. Now here you can see all the OH groups are getting converted to our ketone group. So this is in the presence of our solvent CH2Cl2 dichloromethane. So I hope the reactions are simple. Once again you can see first reaction is the cis allylic alcohols will give you the cis alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. It is primary, so you will get aldehyde. Again primary alcohol, this is our cyclohexyl methanol, so you will get cyclohexane carboxylaldehyde. because it is primary, so directly aldehyde is getting. Secondary, you will get a ketone. Again, secondary example, you will get a ketone here. Again, you will get, this is unsaturated condition, so you will get our unsaturated product and aldehyde group will be attached. And this, all the OH groups will get converted to our ketone group in this, our means we can say that triol pentene. Okay, so I hope the reaction, the topic is easy for you. You can prepare well, and which structure is easy for you, go with it. And IUPAC name is very tough. I have written it, but if you want to write, you can. The important thing is that you have to write the chemical formula, structure neatly, and its properties, and the important preparation method and the main reaction of it. So I hope this topic is easy. Share with your friends. Do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed the channel, and if you have any doubt, you can type in the comments box. Thank you. Thanks for watching.